Get ready. Start. Government have carefully reviewed the existing machinery for the redress of public grievances. Full stop. It has been felt that in spite of detailed instructions issued from time to time, adequate and prompt attention has not been given to the removal of public complaints. Full stop. It has therefore been decided that officers at all levels should pay personal attention to this work. Full stop. Next para. The grievances department will entertain complaints from the public. Full stop. It will also entertain complaints from retired officials regarding their pensions, arrears, pay fixation, etc. Full stop. It will not entertain complaints from serving officials. But if any such complaints are received, they will be brought to the notice of the head of department, secretary or the minister as necessary. Full stop. Next para. The department will have jurisdiction to make inquiries in all government departments except the judiciary. Full stop. Then complaints against local bodies, state undertakings and statutory bodies will not be inquired into by this organization unless specially required by the chief secretary, minister in charge or the chief minister. Full stop. Inquiries into the complaints against all officers and officials of the state government, including heads of departments and secretary to government, can be made by this organization. Full stop. In cases of inquiries against heads of departments and secretaries to government, prior permission of the chief secretary will, however, be obtained before an inquiry is undertaken. Full stop. Next para. The director of removal of grievances may receive complaints directly or through ministers and secretaries to government. Full stop. No officer below the rank of secretary shall refer a complaint to director of removal of grievances. Full stop. Next para. The director will decide in what manner all such complaints as have been dealt with at the district level and are still pressed for consideration at the state level will be disposed of. Full stop. In the case of urgent and serious complaints, the director may ask the head of the department or the administrative secretary to make inquiries and furnish a report within a stipulated period. Full stop. In all other cases where comments of any government officer are invited by the director, these should be made available to him within 15 days. Full stop. The director is authorized to address any officer of the government directly and to obtain information relevant to the inquiry. Full stop. Copies of such communications and replies sent by the officers should be endorsed to head of departments. Full stop. This procedure may be noted. Stop.